Hello, good day, good afternoon, wherever you are in the world. Today we're going to talk about the good state of Tennessee. I got a young lady who made a request on how to find the application. So we're going to do that now. Let's get started. Go to this website. And here you just put non-emergency medical transportation. Click on that. Now it's going to give you the runaround. It's going to give you all these minutes. Just want to go back. Here it is. It's another form. Care support, transportation assistance. Like a rabbit hole. Long-term care. So here's another page. Transportation assistance. So I'm going to take it all the way back. And here it is right here. Here you got to set up an account and log in. And here's where the application is at. They do a good job of hiding it, but here you got to gain access to the portal here in order to apply. It says please do not use your browser back button while using this application. Please use the back or previous button in the application if you need to return to the previous page. So yeah, this is it right here. Okay, that's it for now. Till next time, thanks for listening, and God bless. Peace. Big Mike, I'm out.